$1 sharpener versus just a regular knife that I use on a regular basis that is dull. I mean, it's sharp enough, but it's not paper sharp. Let's see if we can fix that. We got 5 minutes. Starting once I can start sharpening. Let's add some water, because I think it's a whetstone, but who knows. Got that sharpied. Got our block. Blue is coarse. We're giving ourselves 5 minutes. We just got a little bit left. Let's see if we can find leather. Where the heck did I put it? I need to get me more paper. Let's test it out. Uh-oh. It does a little bit better. Oh, it does a lot better, actually. So it does pretty good. Can you shave hair with it? Probably not, no. Not at all. So it's just sharp enough to cut paper. Yeah. So, I mean, if you spent a little bit more time on it, you'd be able to get it pretty good. Did I put it? Not sure why the video started to glitch out, but anyways, knife came out pretty decent for a $2 sharpener. Anyways, thanks for watching.